drop it. Shock it till you drop it. Shock it till you drop it. Shock it till you drop it.
No cap, it's a snag. Saving big, saving bucks in the bag. What's that? Better run fast. It's a deal, it's a steal, it's a fact. What's that? No cap, it's a snag. Saving big, saving bucks in the bag. What's that? Better run fast. It's a deal, it's a steal, that's a fact. Shop it till you drop it. Shop it till you drop it. Shop it till you drop it. Drop it. Shop it till you drop it. Don't miss, don't kid with the best. Keep it real, better deals than the rest. Don't miss, don't kid with the best. Cause you get what we give, but less. Don't miss, don't kid with the best. Keep it real, better deals than the rest. Don't miss, don't kid with the best. Cause you get what we give, but less. No cap, it's a snag. Saving big, saving bucks in the bag.
Gather, we gather, near and far we gather. The grandkids, the cousins, the one without a husband. I missed you, you're grown now. We've gotten by somehow. A year since she left us, we still can't talk about it. By the way, happy holiday. Dad's off the deep end, he just won't admit it. We tried sending podcasts, but I don't think he's listening. I love him, I miss her. Nothing's been the same here. We're trying, he means well. What more can I ask for? By the way, happy I'm so glad you're here. We've lost so much, and we have plenty. Paid for horse and stitch and molded back. We're tired and gather, we gather. I love when we gather. The snow's falling slower. We keep getting older. Gather, we gather, near and far we gather. The grandkids, the cousins, the one without a husband. I missed you, you're grown now. We've gotten by somehow. A year since she left us, we still can't talk about it.
Naglalakad, nakamotor kami. So yun, tapos na kami kumain dito sa Anli Samgyup 199. Ayun no, nakikita mo yan no. So yun, pubo na naman tayo. So kaya kami nag-Samgyup guys kasi para to kay Jessica kasi 2 days na lang ngayon lilipad na siya papuntang Qatar. So supportahan natin yung ating kapatid na si Jessica. Naghahanap po na kami ng pwedeng puntahan ngayon. Ano ba, maglalakad tayo? Ha? Ha? Ice cream? So mag-ice cream muna kami kasi katatapos lang namin kami kumain. Hanap lang kami ng mga kainan ng ice cream. Kasi para tanggal umay. Lakad na tayo. Saan mabili ng ice cream dito?
Lakad na kami. Lakad kami.
Saan ba? Ito. O tara, punta na lang kami. Lakad na lang kayo. Ha? Wag na. Sama mo na yan. So, ganap lang kami ng mga kainan namin ng ice cream dito sa McDo. Ang napili naming pupuntahan. So tara na, let's go. Kaya na tayo, punta na tayo McDo. So kunin lang namin yung mga motor namin. Kasi kay ngayon oh. Si Mark, then ako. Ayan. So tara na, let's go. Yung iba naglakad kasi sila then yan si Alvin walang masasakyan. Then sila mama wala din masasakyan sa amin. Kaya nag-decide silang lakarin nilang papuntang McDo. Malapit lang naman. Then kaming tatlong may motor ay magbumotor. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa McDo. So inaantay lang namin yung order namin. Tumama na una na oh, kumakain na. Then merong magtotropa dito na may kasama. May magtotropa dito na kumakain. Dalang kaldero. Gusto sa inyo. Oh, kaldero. Oh, tayo, kaldero boy. Oh, tayo, kaldero boy. Boy, kaway boy. May kalderong dala eh, oh. So, di ba? Cowboy na cowboy eh. So, dito lang yung makikita yan sa McDo, Antipolo. Sa may Oceano, ayun o. Labas mo dito, Oceano ni. McDo, ah, yung pala yun. Inaantay lang namin yung order namin na Sunday. After namin kumain ng Sunday, hindi na rin kami. So, waiting sila. Waiting.
Spirits you can't burn. We are wheels you can't turn. We are fire in the dark. We are here forever.
Bye-bye, Tita Jessica. See you. Love you.
Hi, Ate Jessica. Ingat ka sa flight mo.
Bye, Ate Jessica. Sana pagpalain ka ng Diyos.
Bye po.
Bye po. Ingat po sa flight.
Jessica, have a safe flight.
Bye, Jessica. Ingat ka palagi. Babantayan ko si Mark. Joke lang.
Hello, Ate Jessica. Good luck sa flight mo tomorrow and good luck sa journey mo. Then, see you after 2 years.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye.
Have a safe flight, Jess. See you soon.
Hi Jess, ingat ka palagi. Good luck sa new journey mo. Pray lang palagi and video call.
Yun yan. Hindi mo sinabi yung ano.
Bon voyage.
Para may twist na nakakatawa, di ba? So yun, Jess. What's up? So, ingat sa ingat sa pag-alis mo, and syempre gabayan ka ni Lord, and mabilis lang 2 years and makakabalikan ulit ng Pilipinas. So kami nang bahala kay Mark, huwag ka na mag-alala, and yun lang, ingat and kita-kits soon. Bye.
Jessica Joy, wala naman ako ibang sasabihin. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Mamimiss kita. I love you. para sa pangarap.
Mama daw.
Lalakasan niya na loob niyan. Ay, oh, pato.
One, two, three, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Salamat.
Naghihintay na yung lasay palaway na.
Ito yung order. Ito. Hoy, idali mo muna to doon kay nanay na. Paano na?
Tatanong ng nanay ko may video okay daw.
Dali mo na doon.
Nasa taas yung ano eh.
Ako, wala na.
Dito nene to. Ay, dyan. Hello, say.
Wala na, kay Alvin. Ano, na kay Alvin. Saling ko pa ito.
Let's go, puts na. Yay!
Kaya jam.
Sira mo, nasan?
Pala sa may tinap.
Computer light.